Breaking news, my country people. The special advisor to President Bola Tinubu on information and strategy, Mr. Onanuga, has said he is not taking his words back regarding allegations made against the former Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi. Let's not forget how Onanuga accused Peter Obi of being behind the planned protest in the country, where he noted that Obi's supporters are the ones sponsoring the planned nationwide protest against Tinubu's administration, adding that the former Anambra State governor should be held responsible for any liabilities that arise from the public demonstrations in August. But in a swift reaction, the Labour Party, in a statement by its National Publicity Secretary, Obi'S, said that there was no truth in Onanuga's allegation, describing it as a figment of his imagination. Now, Peter Obi, in a letter addressed to Onanuga through his lawyer, Chief Alex San, described the presidential aide's comment as defamatory to the reputation and the personality of Peter Obi. The lawyer therefore demanded the sum of 5 billion naira in damages and ordered Onanuga to retreat his statements, by various national dailies in the country. The latter mandated the presidential aide Onanuga to tender an unreserved apology within 72 hours of the receipt of the letter. But you see, Onanuga later on said that he had yet to receive any letter from Obi's lawyer. And he said that he's currently waiting for the letter from Peter Obi's lawyer, threatening a 5 billion suit and demanding an apology to Peter Obi over the planned revolution. Now, he said that he's not afraid of any legal action and he is waiting for Peter Obi in court, that they will meet in court. They shall meet in court. So, my country people, Wahala don shele, no be small thing dey happen. Onanuga has noted that he will wait for Peter Obi in court. And let's not forget that the lawyer of Peter Obi noted that they would slam Onanuga with 5 billion naira for the embarrassment of his defamatory publication that has affected Peter Obi. So this one that Onanuga, is quick to reply Peter Obi, that means something is cooking already. Something is cooking, but then I am quite pleased that Obi approached the court. But let's not forget that this same court that Peter Obi approached through his lawyers is a corrupt court. The court belongs to the ruling party. So we hope this is not just another wild goose chase. We hope this is not just another waste of time and resources for Obi. Yes, Obi initiated a good process. But you see, there is almost compromise. There is always compromise in everything we do in Nigeria, especially as it relates to the judiciary. There must be compromise in one way or the other. Yes, my country people, because we know that the judiciary lacks integrity. It lacks integrity, lacks competency, transparency, and everything that defines the judiciary. The judiciary in Nigeria lacks it all. So let's watch out, on the next happenings. This one that Onanuga has stated that he's waiting for Obi in court. That means he's confident that Peter Obi will not get justice in the Nigerian court. That he's confident that Obi will not get justice in court. So let's see how it goes with my country people, because Obi has initiated a legal battle with Onanuga. I mean, the judiciary, as we all know, even as confirmed by the AG of Federation, that the judiciary is only meant for the rich. The judiciary is only meant for the highest bidder. The judiciary is only meant for those that are in power and not for the common man. It is not the last hope of the common man. But I'm sure if Obi's lawyers are, strong enough, they can push through. But we hope that this will not be a case of the courts kicking out Obi's case for lacking merit or local standing, because that is the common word of the Nigerian courts. Not tomorrow we will see on the news headline Obi's court case has been kicked out. The court did not grant Obi's request. So we hope this is not just another story. We hope this is not just another story, because I'm sure Bayo Onanuga made this statement because he knows that, well, last, the judiciary is in their pocket, so they can do as they please. They have the judges on their palms, so they can sway any person as they please. But then, we hope that everything will go out well. But it's a pity that the Nigerian judiciary has turned out this way. But, well, Bayo Onanuga has said he's not afraid of any legal action. That means he is yet to retrace his words. He is yet to take back the words he said to Peter Obi. But I hope that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should call him in order before things escalate, because this man, Bayo Onanuga, is fond of instigating a lot of persons. Bayo Onanuga was the one in 2023 when he brought about the IPOB agenda. He brought about the IPOB agenda that Badebo Rhodes Vival, the Labour Party governorship candidate in Lagos State in the 2023 elections, was trying to impose the IPOB agenda on the people of Lagos State. He was the one that said that the Igbos should pack and go, that Lagos is not an Igbo man land, that the Igbos should pack and go. A lot of, statements that could incite an ethnic war. And Bayo Onanuga knows what he is doing. He knows what he is doing. He seems to be a tribal bigot, Bayo Onanuga. Well, na only him get him mouth. So na only him go know as him go take use him mouth. But you see this cho wey Bayo Onanuga dey do, one day e go put am for serious trouble. And I hope that this Peter Obi's lawsuit will scale through, so that it will teach Bayo Onanuga and others and his cohorts how to trim their mouths and refrain from, defaming someone's character, saying what's not true about a person. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comment section.